Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to print different designs on the front and back of T-shirt on Spreadshop. Once you're on your Spreadshop dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on the third icon from the top, which is the designs icon. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the plus, and from here you're going to select the designs that you would like to add. So you're going to select the designs. After you have done that, you're going to tap on select right here. After you have uploaded the design, you're going to come back and you're going to tap on create products right here. So you're going to tap on this. Then from there, you're going to see the designs that you have uploaded. Once you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can select the design that you would like to add to the front, and then you can select the design that you would like to add to the back. You could also select another design that you would like to add on the left sleeve and the right sleeve. After you have done that, you're going to tap on apply. After tapping on apply, from here all you will need to do now is tap on the pencil icon. After you have selected the pencil icon, you can toggle on sell in shops. Then you could tap on next in the top right hand corner. And for example, if I were to select men's t-shirt and tap on the pencil icon, you can see right here, this is the front view, and you can see the back view right there. So you can see that both designs have been added, as you can see right here. And if you would like to change the front to the back, you can do that. Once you're finished, you're going to simply tap on done in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can tap on next in the top right hand corner, then select publish for it to go live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.